Hello everyone. So we have learned choose function. Now we will learn VLOOKUP plus choose function together. So let's see. So basically if you see here, so your employee name is here and your outcome is basic, right? Basic information, basic salary. So you can see the basic column is at the right side from the employee name, right? But if you see this, you want to retrieve employee code, department and basic by looking up the employee name, but you can see your employee name at the right side and your basic, department and employee code is at the left side. So in this case VLOOKUP function will not work. We have to include choose function. So let's see. So first just apply VLOOKUP function, select this lookup value, then select the table array. So instead of selecting table array, you have to apply the choose function here, right? Then open the curly bracket, type 1 comma 2 for indexing. Now for first column we will select the employee name. For second column we will select the employee code here, and then we will close the bracket, then put 2 as a column index number, then 0 for the yes, exact match. So basically 1 and 2 is the indexing, because we have to select first as an employee column and second as an employee code, and column index number would be 2 because now our employee code becomes the second column. Hit enter. So you can see your value is there. So if you type Anjali Singh, your value is there, right? But if in case if you want to retrieve employee code, department and basic together, so you have to apply the same function but include column instead of providing the column index number. So first apply the VLOOKUP function, select the lookup value, just close it. Oh sorry, just fix it, comma table array, apply the choose function again. Now open the curly bracket, type 1 2 3 and 4 because we have 4 columns here, right? Just close the curly bracket. Now value 1, your first indexing would be employee, your second indexing would be employee code, now your third indexing would be department, now your fourth indexing would be basic, right? Just fix everyone, put comma. Now uh, instead of selecting column index number or typing column index number, apply the function column because it is a dynamic, it will select the column number accordingly. Just select this employee code, then put comma, then 0, and now hit enter and just drag it at the right side or hit Ctrl R. So now your value is appearing. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, keep watching. Thank you so much.